Ophit USA, high speed, long range, we can connect that at InfoComm 2026. And in this video, we're highlighting VyNet3 4K audio video over IP high bandwidth architecture. The inputs on this particular device is, of course, heatsink, but the inputs are HDMI, SDI DisplayPort, and outputs HDMI, and a modular SFP Plus connectivity, audio in and out. As well, one box can be used as a receiver or a transceiver, and of course 10 gig Ethernet infrastructure. Again, fanless passive cooling. Down here, you can see the different inputs on the device, which include, like we mentioned before, switching it from TX to RX, and the different input selections, HDMI, DisplayPort, and SDI. To our right, you can see our GUI, which can be branded to your liking, and you can quickly switch between sources, creating video walls up here, or you can route to multi-point layouts, etc. Very handy for people that want to have a central control place to control all your videos and send it however you want. VyNet3. OphitUSA.com. Contact us about this to let you know about it. We'll fully support your needs and be a resource in your future. Thank you very much. Have a great day.